In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect LG soundbar to TV with optical cable. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using an optical cable is an extremely common and convenient way of setting up and connecting your soundbar to a TV. It is going to retain a lot of the audio quality, and it is an extremely simple connection to make. So all that you have to do is first grab a high quality optical cable. You can find these on websites like Amazon, eBay, whatever you prefer. There are a lot of options available. For this video, I chose this one from Cable Direct, TOS Link, optical audio cable. As long as you look for optical audio cable and you might want to include the word soundbar, you will find cables that are going to work flawlessly regardless of the soundbar and regardless of the TV model that you have. This one is an Amazon's choice, overall pick, it has 48,000 reviews, and you will be able to choose the length here. So all that you have to do is purchase an optical cable. The optical cable will be plugged into the soundbar and the TV to establish a connection. So first, look behind your TV. Usually there will be a port labeled digital audio out and in parentheses optical. Even if the words differ, just look for optical or look for a similar port like this one. This is what it looks like. So it is usually going to be a square with a very unique shape inside. So all that you have to do is plug one end of the cable inside and the other end of the cable goes into the soundbar. There is no secret to this. By plugging one end into the TV and the other one into the soundbar, the connection will be established. The soundbar will be available under the audio devices, so if you go into the sound output settings, you will see it there. And of course, you just finish your connection here. Once you plug one end into the soundbar and the other one into the TV, like I said before, go into the sound settings, check the sound output tab, and you will be able to find it available as the speaker or soundbar. As long as you see it on the list and you choose it, all of the audio will be routed properly, and it's as simple as establishing the physical connection with the proper ports. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect LG soundbar to TV with optical cable. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.